She got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it.
What's poppin', y'all? I am back again with another video. Today this video is going to be on my Sunber hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys were asking me about this hair one day when I was on live, and what it do, boo, we here. So this is my Sunber hair. I have a 16-inch bundle, 18-inch bundle, 20-inch bundle, and a 16-inch frontal. I'm sorry. This is some of the silkiest hair I've ever received in my life. P.S. I'm sorry if I sound like I have a little lisp. I have my retainers in right now, so judge your mom. Okay, so the method that I will be doing on this hair to style it today is the ponytail method. I do have a video previously on this method, but I can't remember if I did a ponytail method with the straightener or the wand, but today I'm using the wand. Method is basically putting your hair in two ponytails and curling it out through, I don't know how to say it, curling it via the ponytails, I don't know. And it's like so much quicker than curling the whole head with all the hair down. You basically reach all the main parts of the hair, so it doesn't really matter and you can't really tell. Once you take out the ponytails, you just want to go back in and kind of like curl the front, loop the front a little bit, and then you're good to go. But I am and will be doing another video on this hair. You guys were really asking me how did I melt down the frontal and how I laid it down and stuff like that. So if you guys want that to be the next video on this hair, comment below, let me know. If not, then state your opinion or your suggestion, what you want to see, okay? But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, this hair is bomb. I don't know what else to say. So I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching. Love y'all.